In this video, you'll see me pick up items, scan the items, and make payment with Walmart app or Walmart Pay in store at the self-checkout. But first, for those who have not done so, search for the Walmart app and install. I already have mine, so you'll see the word get here, of course. Open. Again, if you have not already, press sign in and create an account. You don't have to use your real name if you don't want to. Go to account and choose payment methods. Mine is blurred out because I already have mine saved. Up at the corner, press plus to add or add more cards, and you can choose any methods or a different card at any time, even during checkout. Now, let's go buy some stuff. As a little tip, if you grab a small empty box off the shelf, you wouldn't have to buy a bag at the checkout. Now, this 1994 QR code is what you're going to have to point your cell phone camera at in a second. Open the Walmart app and it will detect what store you're at. You can choose Walmart Pay or scan codes and point the cell phone camera to scan the QR code. And see the confirmation of your purchase. Then you'll see the payment summary with a barcode which you may need at the exit for an employee to scan. And later, if you want to check your receipt, do the following.